Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm even more excited to show you how to make my vanilla spiced oatmeal. Just like anybody else, I'm sure you're tired of going to the corner deli and getting you oatmeal to start your day, and when you taste it, it's just straight trash. No flavor, no nothing. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect oatmeal. This is going to take you less than 10 minutes. Again, only a handful of ingredients, nothing too complicated, because oatmeal is the easiest thing to make in the world. So I'm going to start off with about 1 cup of boiling water, and the reason why I'm not using any more than that is because I mostly use milk for my oatmeal. I have a cup of dried oatmeal, which is Quaker Oats or any kind of other oatmeal that you would like to use, and just put that in the pot. You're gonna stir this constantly because you don't want it to thicken and stick to the bottom of your pot. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt to this just to give it a little bit of flavor, because the goal here is to have flavorful oatmeal. So for this recipe, my favorite milk to use is Almond Breeze. I don't drink regular milk.
It's 100% Cambodian, yeah.
But you can use whatever milk you prefer, and we're just gonna pour some of that in there. You just want to make sure you stir that in there, because your oatmeal is going to absorb all the milk. So another trick that I learned from a dear friend of mine is to add butter to your oatmeal. As you can see, I'm using a tablespoon of butter. You don't have to use that much. You can use a teaspoon, especially if you're on a diet. But me, I just had to be extra with the butter. But it adds a really nice flavor, and I feel like it adds an even more smooth consistency to the oatmeal. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is my least favorite part, and the reason why is because I have to literally grate the nutmeg, and you can also buy the nutmeg powder, but I prefer to use fresh nutmeg.
Oh, I hate when this happens.
So we're just gonna mix that in and just keep stirring and keep stirring. As you can see, the oatmeal has already absorbed most of the milk, so we just have to make sure that we keep stirring it. And here comes my favorite part, which is adding a vanilla flavoring, and I add about 2 tablespoons. Like I said, I'm not making this the most healthiest way, but it's so good. Jesus Christ. I always overdo it with vanilla, but you have to be careful, because if you put too much vanilla flavoring, it'll literally kill your whole recipe. And add more milk as you like. I personally like my oatmeal very watery. You can personalize this however you want. I'm just giving you the basic steps. So this is tradition again. We use the sweetened milk to sweeten our oatmeals or any kind of porridge that we make in the Caribbean. For this recipe, I'm going to use about a half of can, which is just perfect. If you prefer not to use this, you can also use brown sugar.
So good.
You made my day.
And this is the finished product. This literally took me less than 10 minutes to make. So give it a try and let me know what you think. I really hope that you like this video. I try to keep it as simple as I can, and it's a quick way for you to make a delicious breakfast for you to take to work or have before you get to work. Thank you so much again for watching. I really put my heart and soul into all these videos. Trust me, I'm stressed out bad. So keep watching. Thank you for all your support, and I can't wait to share the next recipe with you.